It's getting colder. Gotta set the vibe a little bit. Boom! Okay, in today's video, I'm gonna be talking a little bit more specifically about one of my side hustles, since the last side hustle video did amazing. So shout out to everybody that left positive feedback, left me comments saying what their side hustles were. Everybody that commented and participated, like, y'all make the video feel complete. You feel me? Like, every time that I post a video, that's like half of it, and then the other half is when y'all comment and when you guys leave feedback and all that good stuff. So for today's video, it's more of a vlog style video, but I'm slowly getting into that entrepreneurial side hustle side of YouTube where I just want to show y'all how to make money. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys a little project that I'm working on today for one of my side hustles. One of my homies hit me up for some vinyl stickers to promote his business, and these vinyl stickers are ones that you could put on car windshields, laptops, hydro flasks, and things like that. But I think what he's going for is for the car window look. So I'm gonna hook him up with that, and we're gonna be using a Cricut vinyl cutter today. Now, what I like about this side hustle is that it's not too expensive to get into. So if you have an extra $300 to $350 to invest in a Cricut cutter, then you'll be good to go. After that, you just follow basically what I'm doing, you know, connect to people, make some products that people would like, and you push it, promote it, and eventually you're gonna start making money. So if you guys are interested in the Cricut machine, that'll be linked down below in the description. That is an affiliate link, but I'm not affiliated or sponsored by Cricut. I purchased this, I did all that stuff. This is not a paid ad or anything. I'm just showing y'all what I'm doing today. So whenever it comes to these designs, I prefer it when the designs are already made. Now, I already see some things that I want to change, so let me change that real quick. I'm just gonna go on my laptop and use a couple simple steps on Photoshop to make this look a little bit more presentable in my opinion, and then I'm gonna go ahead and run it by him and see what he thinks. So that's basically what I'm gonna do right now. So for the first step, I'm gonna finalize the design, make sure that he likes it, make sure that I like it, and everything looks good, it prints well and everything, and then we could go ahead and start printing. Got my coffee, we're good to go. So I just wrapped up everything on his design. The top one is the one that he sent me, and then the bottom one is the one that I'm going to send over to him just to make sure it's okay. I ended up making the periods or the dots a little bit bigger. If you've ever laid vinyl, you know that sometimes there's certain things that just don't stick well, and those pieces happen to be the parts that have little surface area. When you introduce dots like this, like small dots, those tend to peel up first just because there's not a lot of sticker going on over there. If you're looking at it really detailed, you can see how much of a difference, like just taking that HTTP out and then stretching it out across the bottom right here leaves a lot more room to play with, and it just makes that URL pop a little bit more. So that's my thought process. Again, this is his sticker, this is his order, so I gotta run it through him. Once we get that cleared, I could go ahead and start printing these. So while I wait for his reply, I just wanted to reinforce the fact that communication is key anywhere in life, but especially in business. You don't want to make any crazy changes or do anything crazy without communicating and letting people know how you're thinking, what you're doing, why you're doing it. So communication is key, people. This is relationships, this is business partnerships, friendships, you name it. Communication is key. You gotta let people know what's up. You gotta let them know why you're doing what you're doing. And when I was younger, I struggled with this, but ever since I've kind of grown up, took some key points from other people, I noticed that, man, once I started communicating clearly, effectively, it just makes life so much easier. Cheers to communication.
A few moments later.
The man has spoken. Like I said, communication is key when it comes to any business, any relationship, any friendship, anything. After conversating back and forth with him, we went with his original design, but we also did a couple font adjustments, and I did a couple test prints to make sure he liked it before I went ahead and did my mass production. These are the two stickers that we ended up doing, and we are going with the top one. The top one just looks a lot cleaner on the glass. The bottom one, I'm not really liking the font too much, and he wasn't a huge fan of the font either, but the top one looks legit. So now we could finally get to printing. So I just laid out all of the logos right here on the sheet. It looks like we fit about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can make 6 stickers with 1 sheet of vinyl. Here we go. We basically got all the hard part finished. It's just finalizing the design that takes the longest time. Now, the rest of this is like 50% machine and then 50% me. So this is a 2-part process pretty much. Once we get this vinyl on, we're gonna load it. The vinyl cutter is gonna cut all of the vinyl, and then it's gonna require some of my labor in order to make it sticker. So we're gonna do the cutting part. And what I like about the cutting part is like you load it, it does its thing, you can multitask, you can do other things, and it really teaches you how to manage your time wisely. So let's go ahead and load it up. And just like that, we're done with one sheet. Let's take a look at this thing. Yo, these printed out hella nice. For some reason on this silver, it looks much nicer than the white. Okay, so now what I gotta do is cut all of these out and apply our transfer paper. While I'm doing that, I'm gonna run another sheet because we got a ton of these to print. So I'm gonna get right to that. So we're saving time, we're being efficient. That's what it's all about. Let's get it. All right, y'all, check it out. So this is almost the final product. We have one more step to do, is to add the transfer tape or transfer vinyl on top of this. While the vinyl's cutting in the background, you could be weeding all of these right here. So it's all about time management. The faster you finish, the more you make, the more money you'll make. When you're doing anything in life, man, just remember, time is money. Alright y'all, it is the following day and I finished up all the sheets. Now I'm just gonna do what I showed you earlier, and it's just all the weeding parts. So this is where I take the negative space out, and I'm doing it for all these sheets right here. And then right after that, you'll have something that looks like this, and then we add the transfer sheets, and then that is basically it. We got our stickers. So I'm just gonna do this quick little time lapse of me working, and yeah, I'm gonna play some music and I'm gonna get right to it. And just like that, we have our sticker. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this is very tedious work. You gotta be very careful, take your time, and this right here is the ultimate test to see if you have patience. With this specific side hustle, this is not like a get rich quick kind of thing. Like, this is seriously one of the more tedious jobs, but the way that you make more money is investing it in other things that will make you more money. So whatever you make from your sticker business, your side hustle, whatever I'm making off of this, I'm throwing it into something that I'm able to resell, I'm able to flip, you know, something like that. So let's just say, for example, each sticker right here is $5. I make 50 of these, I'm making $250. Now with that $250, I could probably buy, let's just say, one pair of shoes, right? If I buy the shoes correctly and I have a certain margin, let's say 50 bucks, I'm able to sell those for 300 bucks, profit 50, and then I go ahead, buy 2 pairs of shoes, profit 50 off of each of those, turn that 300 into 400, 400 into 5, 500 into 1,000, 1,000 into 3,000, 4,000, whatever it is later on in the line. So that is what this whole thing is about, all right? Tumbling your money, reinvesting it, snowballing, and everything like that. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing this for a while, guys. I'm gonna be doing this for a while. There's some letters in here that peel a little bit easier, there's some that don't. So I'm really just trying to figure out, let's see, like, how do I peel this without messing it up? So I'll tune in with you guys in a bit. It's important to take breaks when you need, but yeah, I'm gonna try to roll through these, so wish me luck. So right now I'm just applying the transfer paper. This is the last step of the entire process. And keep in mind that every single vinyl sticker is going to need this in order to apply it wherever you need it to go. I hope y'all enjoyed watching me do this entire process. And like I said before, if you don't tumble the money and reinvest it in yourself, you're just missing out on a bunch of opportunities. So make sure you use the money that you make from this side hustle and invest it in other side hustles as well. Good luck to everybody out there. I hope y'all make a lot of money and I hope y'all do big things. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like this video if you guys enjoyed the content, content, and I'll see y'all very soon for the next one. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.